Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I have some crab meat, so I decided to make Vietnamese chicken and crab soup. This has become a favorite in our family whenever we crave something light yet nutritious. So let's do it. First, we will boil 3 liters of water with 300 grams of chicken bones and 150 grams of chicken breast. Add a few slices of ginger for fragrance. While the broth is simmering, let's prepare the other ingredient. All the ingredient that you need is on the screen. Slice the shiitake mushroom thinly and dice the carrot. Soak the snow fungus in warm water until it expands. Then cut it into small pieces. We only use 1/4 because too much will make the soup too thick. Finally, chop the cilantro and cut the corn kernel off the cobs. After we boil the quail egg and the century egg, we then peel them. Vietnam has halal egg available, making it quite convenient for my lifestyle here. For the century egg, we will cut in half. When the broth boils, skim off the foam to keep the broth clear. After the chicken breast is cooked, remove everything from the pot and strain the broth to keep it clear. Shred the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces like this. Now let's make the chili oil to serve with the soup. It's very simple. Heat some oil in a small pan, add 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 3 tablespoons of chili. Stir until fragrant and the chili release its red color. Add 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and turn off the heat. There we have our appetizing looking chili oil. If not finish it, you can keep it in the fridge to use for later. Now we boil back the chicken broth. Add the diced carrot, 100 grams of corn kernels, shiitake mushroom, and snow fungus. Cook for about 5 minutes. Then add the shredded chicken breast and crab meat. Season with 3 tablespoons of seasoning powder and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, or adjust to your taste as this is based on the Vietnamese palate. Let the soup simmer for another 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. Beat 2 regular eggs. To thicken the soup, mix 6 tablespoons of tapioca flour or cornstarch with 12 tablespoons of water. Stir well. When the soup is boiling, skim off any foam. Gradually add the tapioca flour mixture while stirring continuously to avoid clumping. Once the soup is thickened, slowly pour in the beaten egg while stirring to create beautiful egg strand. Our soup is ready. Let's garnish. Lather the soup into bowls. Look how thick the soup is. Don't forget to share this nutritious soup with your loved one. It's the perfect way to bring everyone together, no matter how busy life gets. Okay, now we add the boiled quail egg. Some of cilantro. Then we add century egg on the surface. Look how yummy it is. A bit of pepper. A few drops of sesame oil for aroma. And finally, add a spoonful of chili oil to elevate the flavors. Look at that! A bowl of Vietnamese chicken and crab soup, ready to nourish your body and soul. It's perfect for those busy work days when you need something quick and healthy. Plus, it's a great way to get family together for a meal. And here we got our today's recipe, Vietnamese chicken and crab soup. Look at it. It looks refreshing and healthy. Let's give it a try. First, we mix the chili oil and everything together so you can feel the spiciness. If you don't like spicy, you don't need to put the chili oil. This is century egg. Okay, I'm gonna bite it later. Yeah, I'm done mixing all. Let's give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah. It's very delicious, guys, and it's definitely healthy. The chili gives you the spice that you need. and everything just mix well with each other. Quail egg. You should try this at home. It's definitely worth your time. This meal is really nutritious. Look at this century egg. This is my first time trying it. Let's give it a try. It's very delicious. You guys can definitely try this at home. It's very healthy, nutritious, and also refreshing. If you want something like light, you can have this meal. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out any new recipes. If you have anything to comment, feedback, or you want me to put something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.